Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making street-style tacos. Here's what you'll need to make our Tex-Mex at Home beef fajita seasoning. This seasoning should make enough for about 2 pounds of beef. 1½ tablespoons of lime powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 pounds of diced beef, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion, street taco-sized corn tortillas, and toppings of your choice. Step 1. Let's prepare our Tex-Mex at Home seasoning. Add the lime powder, garlic granules, chili powder, cumin, salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Give it a mix and set it aside. Step 2. Add your onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. We add the meat and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes or until you see it get some color. Sprinkle in your Tex-Mex at Home beef fajita seasoning and stir everything to coat every single piece. Let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it's cooked to your liking. If you're enjoying this so far, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Step 3. Our meat is ready. Let's build our tacos. Grab your tortillas and load it up with your meat. Throughout the Rio Grande Valley, street tacos are made in many different ways. This is our border town version and it's one of my favorites. Now it's time for a moment of truth. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.